Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Somesh. In part 1, we have discussed about percentage related problems basic concepts. In this video, I will explain questions that were previously asked in competitive exams. So the first question, what percent is 34 grams of 170 grams? It's a very easy question. So what percent 34 grams of 170 grams? So here after of 170 is there. So 170 should be in the denominator, 34 is in the numerator multiplied with 100. 17 twos and 17 tens. So again 0 cancel. So answer is 20%. So just observe the question. What percent is 34 grams of 170 grams? After of 170 is there. That's why 170 is in denominator and 34 is in numerator multiplied with 100. 34 by 170 into 100 is equal to 20%. Next question. Two numbers are less than a third number by 20% and 27% respectively. The percent by which the second number is less than the first is. This is also discussed in part 1. Okay. So already the link is mentioned in description. Part 1 link is mentioned in description. Here two numbers are less than a third number by 20% and 27% respectively. So first we assume third number. So assume third number is 100. So first number and second number 20% and 27% less than the third number. As according to given question, two numbers are less than a third number by which 20% and 27% respectively. So first number is 100 minus 20 and second number is 100 minus 27. So this is third number. So second number is less than 27%. So 100 minus 27, that is equal to 73, second number. And first number is less than 20% of third number. So first number is 18. Okay. Next, the question is the percent by which the second number is less than the first is. Here after than first number is there. After than first is there. So for this problem, first number should be in the denominator. After than first number is there. So the difference between the first number and second number. So the difference between the first number and second number is 7 into 100. So 0 cancel. 70 by 8, that is equal to 8.75%. And third question. If the price of mango first increases by 5% and then decreased by 20%, what is change in price of mango? This is also a very important question. If the price of mango first increases by 5%, then decreases by 20%. What is the change of price? So assume mango price is 100 rupees. Assume mango price is 100 rupees. So first it increases by 5%. So obviously mango price becomes 105 rupees. Okay. Next it is decreases by 20%. So 20% decreases in 105. So 20% of 105 is equal to 20 into 105 by 100. So 21s and 25s. 105 by 5, that is equal to 21. So 20% decreases means 105 minus 21. The price of mango is 84 rupees. So first initially it increases by 5%, so 105. Next decreases by 20%, so price is 84. The question is what is change in price of mango? So change in price. Initially mango price is 100 rupees. Initially mango price is 100 rupees. But now the mango price is 84. So what is the change? 100 minus 84 divided by initial price 100 into 100. So simple change in price is equal to 16 rupees. 16%. Sorry, not rupees, 16%. Okay. Now the third question. Sorry, fourth question. Fourth question. A scores 10% and fails by 30 marks. B scores 40% marks and gets 30 marks more than the minimum marks need to pass the exam. What are the maximum marks for exam? So this is very interesting question. A scores 10% and fails by 30 marks. Okay. So A scores 10% of maximum marks. So 10% of maximum marks is equal to 10m by 100. 10 into m by 100. But A fails. But here B scores 40% marks and gets 30 marks more. But here A fails by 30 marks. ఇక్కడ just observe చేయండి. A fails by 30 marks. So 10% of maximum marks is equal to 10m divided by 100. But A fails by 30 marks. So A need to score 30 marks to get pass mark. Similarly, B scores 40% of maximum marks. B scores 40% of marks and gets 30 marks more than the minimum marks needed to pass the exam. So 40% of m is equal to 40m divided by 100. But 30 marks more than the pass mark. So minus 30. So these two equations are equating. We get the answer. 10m by 100 plus 30. So this is the pass mark. Otherwise 40m by 100 minus 30. This is the pass mark. So simple LCM. 100 is the LCM. 10m plus 3000 is equal to 40m minus 3000 by 100. So by solving 100 here cancel. So 10m plus 3000 is equal to 40m minus 3000. So 30m is equal to 6000. So m is equal to 200. So what is m? Maximum marks are 200. Okay. This is very simple. The only thing common sense is enough to solve this problem. Okay. Next, fifth problem. If 20% of A is equal to 50% of B, then what percent of A is B? It is little confusing but very simple. Confusing గా ఉన్నా కూడా చాలా సింపుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. Just observe చేయండి. If 20% of A is equal to 50% of B, then what percent of A is B? ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ లో మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఆఫ్టర్ ఆఫ్ A is there. Okay, that is very important. So 20% of A is equal to 50% of B. So 20% of A is equal to 20 into A divided by 100. So A by 5. So is equal to 50% of B. So 50% of B means 50 into B by 100. That is equal to B by 2. So same, both are equal. So A by 5 is equal to B by 2 according to the given question. So therefore A by B is equal to 5 by 2. But here the question is, then what percent of A is B? So after of A is there, so A should be in the denominator. A should be in the denominator. B should be in the numerator into 100. So A by B is equal to 5 by 2. Obviously B by A is equal to 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 into 100. Simply 40. Answer is 40%. At what percent of, question is at what percent of A is B? So 40% is the answer. Now coming to the sixth question. This is also very important question. A fruit seller had some oranges. He sells 30% oranges and still has 140 oranges. Originally he had. So a fruit seller had some oranges. Okay. So assume X oranges are there. Okay. He sell 30%. He sold 30% of oranges. So 30% of oranges means 30 into X by 100. So that is equal to 0.3x. So 30% of oranges are sold. So now remaining oranges are x minus 0.3x, that is equal to 0.7x. But in the given question, he sells 30% oranges and still has 140 oranges. So this 0.7x is equal to 140 oranges. Therefore, x is equal to 140 by 0.7. That is equal to 1400 by 7. Answer is equal to 200 oranges. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. Now coming to the seventh question. What percentage of numbers from 1 to 30 has 1 or 9 in the units digit? It's very, very interesting. Just observe the question. What percentage of numbers from 1 to 30 has 1 or 9 in the units digit? అంటే యూనిట్స్ డిజిట్స్ లో 1 కానీ 9 కానీ ఉన్న నెంబర్స్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఎంత 1 to 30లో? సో 1 to 30లో ఆబ్వియస్లీ యూనిట్ డిజిట్స్ లో ఏముంటాయండి? 1, 9, 11, 19, 21, 29. So there are 6 numbers. So total numbers are 30. So 6 divided by 30 into 100 is the answer. So 600 by 30, that is equal to 20% numbers. This is the question number 7. It's a very, very easy question. So and last question, 8th question. Because number 9 and padindi, but 8th question. When the price of sugar decreases by 10%, a man could buy 1 kg more for 270 rupees. What is the original price of sugar per kg? It's a very, very interesting question. So very, very interesting question. When the price of sugar decreases by 10%, a man could buy 1 kg more for 270 rupees. Then the original price of sugar per kg is. So here assume the original price of sugar, original price. Assume the original price is equal to X. This is original price. And Y, quantity. So expenditure is equal to price into quantity. That is equal to 270. Okay. But the price of sugar decreases by 10%. So decreases by 10% means simply X is decreases by 10%. So X into 10 by 100, that is equal to 0.1x. So 0.1x. So price of the sugar after decreasing, new price is x minus 0.1x. Okay. So quantity, but here according to the given question, quantity is increases. When the price of sugar decreases by 10%, a man could buy 1 kg more sugar. So the quantity is increases. Quantity is equal to y plus 1. The original quantity is y, but here the quantity is equal to y plus 1. So, but the price, so price is equal to x minus 0.1 x and quantity is equal to y plus 1. So price into quantity is equal to expenditure. So the expenditure is same. So by equating these two equations, so equating these two equations, so xy is equal to x minus 0.1 x and y plus 1. See, this is the original price, this is the original quantity. After decreasing 10%, the price becomes x minus 0.1 x and quantity becomes y plus 1, 1 kg extra. Okay. సో ఎప్పుడైతే ప్రైస్ తగ్గిందో 1 kg ఎక్స్ట్రా కొన్నాడట. సో కాబట్టి y ప్లస్ 1 తీసుకున్నాం. సో ప్రైస్ ఎంత తగ్గిందట 10% తగ్గింది. బట్ సేమ్ వాల్యూ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ సేమ్ 270 రూపీస్కే ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ ఇచ్చాడు. సో 270 కాబట్టి ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్ ని ఈక్వేట్ చేసాం. సో xy is equal to xy plus x minus 0.1 xy minus 0.1. So here xy cancel and x minus 0.1 xy. So x minus 0.1 x. So x into y xy, x into x is there. Okay, minus 0.1 into xy. Okay, minus 0.1 into this is also x. Okay, so finally we'll get 0.1 xy is equal to 0.9 x. So x and x cancel, y is equal to 0.9 by 1, 0.1. So 0.9 by 0.1, obviously it is equal to 9. What is y? Y is equal to expenditure. Y is equal to quantity, 9 kgs. Okay, x is equal to price of the sugar, but expenditure is equal to 270 rupees, that is equal to xy. Therefore x is equal to original price of sugar, that is equal to 270 rupees by 9, that is equal to 30 rupees. This is the original price of the sugar. In this way questions are asked in competitive exams on percentage problems. Okay, అందరికీ అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.